In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Cash App QR code on a flyer so people can quickly scan and send you payments. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap the profile or QR code icon in the top corner of the app. From there, select My Code to open your personal Cash App QR code. This QR code is linked directly to your Cash App account, allowing people to scan it and send you money instantly. Once the code appears on your screen, simply take a screenshot of it or save the image to your phone. After that, you can add the QR code image to your flyer design using any editing app or print it directly onto your flyer. This makes it easy for customers, clients, or friends to pay you through Cash App by simply scanning the code with their phone. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.